William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. He is regarded as the greatest writer in the English language. He is considered the most important dramatist in the world. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. He was born in Stratford on Avon. His parents were John Shakespeare and Mary Arden. Shakespeare was educated at the King Edward Grammar School at Stratford. There he studied Latin and Greek and read the Roman dramatist. At the 80, he married Anne Hathaway. After his marriage and the birth of his children, Shakespeare moved to London. He started a small actor and later became a playwright and a producer of plays. Shakespeare has written more than 30 plays. There are some of the greatest in English and Western literature. Traditionally, his plays are divided into tragedy, comedy, and history. His tragedies were the most significant. They were the most discussed in literary criticism. His most famous tragedies are Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth. His tragedies are primarily concerned with the tragic hero and his tragic ability. The hero's particular interest, passion, or habit leads to his fall. Shakespeare has written 154 sonnets. A sonnet is a lyric poem of 40 lines written in a single stanza. There is a special rhyming scheme. There are two different rhyming schemes. One is the Petrarchian sonnet. Petrarchian sonnet is divided into two parts, octave and sestet. Octave is the first 8 lines, rhyme is A B B A A B B A. Sestet is 6 lines, rhyme is C D E C D E. The sonnets of Shakespeare are most important. His sonnets are mainly love trances of life, beauty, and the working of desire. Sonnet 29 shows the poet at his most insecure and troubled situation. He presents himself a bad state of mind. He has fallen from grace and is greatly depressed. He also feels unlucky. He feels ashamed and greatly jealous of the people around him. We don't know why he is in so much pain. If his sonnets are autobiographical, the end of the sonnets, the poem seems to cheer up thinking of someone. Sonnet 29. Shakespeare feels that he is out of luck and that the public see him an unfavorable person. Shakespeare is implying that his state is a state of loneliness and is kicked out from society, making an allusion to the book of Job found in the Old Testament of the Bible. Job was cast out and called to a God who did not listen. Shakespeare relates to this in that he felt useless. Shakespeare finds himself annoying others. He feels that everyone has something that he looks. Shakespeare reflects on the effects that love has on his state. He implies that he prefers the day rather than the night because he is much happier than how there seems to be hope when he thinks of the young man. Shakespeare writes that he is better off than being wealthy and royal. His emotional well-being, the love Shakespeare has for the young man is far more greater than the wealth of a king. Thank you.